Salam alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Leo's Chronicles, where narratives roar to life. Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. I've got some exciting news to share with you today. It looks like TRT-1 is gearing up for another historical series, and this time it's centered around Sultan Mehmet Fateh, set to join the ranks alongside Selahaddin Eyyubi series. Who will be portraying the formidable Sultan Mehmet in this upcoming series? Will it be Engin Altan, the acclaimed actor known for his role as Ertugrul in Ertugrul, or is there another talented actor stepping into these historical shoes? We're all eager to find out. But that's not all. In the realm of Engin Altan's career, what's the latest scoop? Are there any new and exciting projects in the pipeline for him? Perhaps a film or another gripping series that will keep us glued to our screens. To uncover all these intriguing details, you'll want to stick around and watch the video until the very end. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single update. So let's unravel the mysteries surrounding the upcoming Sultan Mehmet Fateh series. Well, there have been films and series about Sultan Mehmet before. Currently, the Kiziloma series, showcasing Sultan Mehmet's childhood, is on TRT's digital platform Tabi. Plus, there's a Sultan Mehmet series on Netflix. Now there's buzz about a new series on Sultan Mehmet, and it's rumored to be produced by IS Productions. They're the ones who did Sultan Abdul Hamid and Barbar Slar. Exciting times ahead with more historical drama on the horizon. With the confirmation of a series on Sultan Mehmet, the big question looms, will Altan brother secure the lead role, or is another actor in the spotlight for this significant portrayal? The anticipation builds. I believe Altan brother won't secure this role. Sultan Mehmet's character demands a younger actor, and Altan brother, being around 45, might not fit for this role. Considering Sultan Mehmet's historical conquest at 21, it's apparent that a younger actor would be more suitable for this significant role. In considering alternative actors for the pivotal role of Sultan Mehmet, Engin Altan seems less likely due to age considerations. At 45, Altan might not align with the historical age of Sultan Mehmet, who famously conquered Constantinople at the youthful age of 21. So, who could potentially step into these formidable shoes? The rumor mill is buzzing with the possibility of Navruz taking on this momentous role. The speculation gained traction when, at Burkersur aka Connerby's birthday bash alongside notable figures like Boraka's Jivat and Emre Bey, the media seized the opportunity to inquire about Navruz's upcoming projects. His cryptic response, acknowledging an ongoing project, has fueled speculation that he might be the chosen one for the role of Sultan Mehmet. It's an exciting prospect that keeps us eagerly anticipating further developments in the world of historical drama. I share the view that Navruz's appearance and age align well with the historical portrayal of Sultan Mehmet Fateh. Undoubtedly, he is a brilliant actor who could bring an amazing presence to this significant role. However, it remains uncertain, and there's always the possibility of another talented actor stepping into the spotlight for this great historical portrayal. Let's await the official announcement and see which actor will be chosen for this remarkable role. To unravel the mysteries surrounding Engin Altan's future projects, patience is key, my friends. I'll delve into all the intricate details, bringing you a comprehensive update on Altan's upcoming projects. Whether it's a new series, a film, or any other project, rest assured you'll be in the loop. So mark your calendars for the next video, where we'll embark on a journey through the latest developments in Engin Altan's professional world. Until then, stay curious, stay excited, and I'll catch you in the next video for an immersive exploration of Altan's upcoming projects.